Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to avoid Airbnb damage charges on Airbnb mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When you are looking at a listing, scroll down and tap Things to Know or House Rules. Make sure you read all the rules like no smoking, no pets, or quit hours. Following this helps you avoid any accidental violation. While staying in the home, treat it like your own. When you arrive, take a few photos of the space just in case something was already damaged before you got there. You don't need to deep clean, but be respectful, throw away traces, wash your used dish, and tidy up a bit. If something's break accidentally or you notice damage you can't cause, use the app to message the host right away. Being honest and proactive can often prevent a charge. And that's it. To avoid Airbnb damage, follow the rules, treat the space kindly, and communicate. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.